Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner made by RTL Auto World American Muscle in a 1/18 scale. So if you like those Mopars, stay tuned, and we're going to take a closer look at this car. We're going to unbox it and take a better look at it. So stay tuned to the end of the video. And please do also subscribe to the channel, click the bell for news, and give me a thumbs up. Let's unbox it and go on. And here we have the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. This is made in 1/18 scale by RTL Auto World, and it's a very nice model car. So let's take a closer look at it. The first thing we notice is this car has changed completely from 1970 to 1971. So Plymouth, just like the Dodge Charger, has become a brand new car. The car was more aerodynamic and the lines were more fluid. And for 1971 we had this front bumper as real frame. So it was basically not exactly a bumper, just like in the previous years. In 1973 this bumper would be completely different, since new legislation demanded cars to have more reinforced bumpers. As we open the hood, we can look at the engine, which is a 440 with a 6-pack carburetor. That's why we have 440 plus 6. And we can see the engine, which looks very nice and has several components in here, just like those cables and wires, a reservoir, a horn, an alternator, and it's in the correct color. It's got the battery, but the battery ain't got any cables. So remember, this is not an Authentics model, but a simpler version of the RTL cars. As we look at the side of this car, we can see that the lines are a little bit more fluid with the 440 plus 6 and the blinker, which is cast in metal and painted on, the Chrysler paint stripe, and the trim around the wheel well, which is a chrome trim that's actually painted silver. And as we open the passenger door, which got a handle as an extra piece, we can see the very nice looking blue interior with the front and the back seats, carpet, central console with the automatic transmission, and dashboard, which has got some wood grain patterns. Unfortunately, there's no panel in here. I don't know the reason why, but that would be an issue. There's no headliner, but a nice painting from the inside, and the vinyl roof looks very nice. It's got this flat white painting, which looks gorgeous, and the trim is all here mated and painted, silver painted actually. Roadrunner logo, we can recognize this from the cartoon, as well as we can recognize this from the 1970 Plymouth I've shown before, that one made in lime green by GMP. Rear blinker, rear bumper, which is more aerodynamic from 1970. A rear of this car kind of reminds the 1977 Dodge Monaco. So that would be a Chrysler trend in the 70s. A dual exhaust and a trunk lid. As we pop it open, we can see that it's very well made. We have this trunk with the mat here, and spare tire, and several details just like the trunk lock in here and here, the reinforcements, the hinges, and all details are supposed to be here. Even the rubber gasket we have around here, it's present in this trunk. We have this rear spoiler here, which is not of my preference, but still looks very nice. Rear deck and the rear window look very nice as well. And driver's door, 3-spoke steering wheel that kind of reminds the one that's in a Plymouth Barracuda. And we can take a better look at the dashboard and the gauges. Mirror, which is correctly made. Door panels, which are good. The pedals, so we can see that's an automatic transmission, since we have the gas pedal and the brakes, and this one would be the parking brake. Seats, and one more look at the central console. Doors open and close correctly. In the bottom of a car, it's just like the ones we've seen before, just like the regular Mopar. The brake primer at the center and a body color around the edges. This is a unibody, so we see that the frame of the car is basically the same of the floor, so they are all mixed together, and we have the front structure that goes all the way here. We can see the suspensions, the front and the rear suspensions, which are actually fixed, and the drive shaft, which is fixed as well. Engine and tranny are in the correct color, mufflers, the gas tank, so everything in this car is really very well taken care of. This car is really very nice. The rally wheels with those Goodyear tires that really look fantastic. So this is a car I would really advise you to have in a Mopar Diecast 1/18 collection. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes in the comments below, to click the bell for news, and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video. So I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.